Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix AirDrop is not detecting nearby iPhones. If you're using any iPhone and you're trying to use your AirDrop, but you're facing the issue that your AirDrop is not detecting your nearby iPhones, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you have to simply open your settings app and you just have to make sure that you have a stable and the strongest network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular data. You can also try to switch between your Wi-Fi and cellular data, or you can try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back from here and go to your general section, and here I go to VPN device management. I just make sure that your VPN is not connected. Then go back, go to software update, and you just have to make sure that your software is up to date. There's no any pending software update for your iPhone. If you find, just try to update your software. After updating software, go back and go to location services and your privacy and security section. Select location services and then enable location services first, and then go to the system services. Select that, and here select significant locations, and you just have to make sure that this toggle is turned on. After doing this, you have to simply go back, and here you have to go to your general section again, go to airdrop section, and you have to select everyone for 10 minutes to enable your airdrop only for 10 minutes. If you have selected contact only, so the person with which you want to share or use your airdrop, it might be in your contacts, but you can select everyone for 10 minutes to allow everyone to connect with you, and then also enable these two toggles, and your issue must have to be fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so very first you have to go to your settings app, and in general section just select transfer reset iPhone, select reset, and then select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings and the confirmation message pop up. It will reset all over your network settings. If there will be any issue with your iPhone network settings, it will be fixing the step and you'll not get the issue again. Or you can also try to make a forced restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Not to do that, you have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you just have to unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So it might be that your issue has been fixed, but if it's still not fixed your issues, you can contact with Apple support team to get official help. Not to do that, you have to simply open your Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from your App Store, or you can use Apple Support Web. Select iPhone from here, then select this more option, select AirDrop, and here just wait for the loading, and then select Get More Help, then tap and call us. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number, and you'll be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.